Ciao fellow crafters e bentornati a maxdmcrafting. Today I'm gonna show you how I make these special reversible tiles. Stay a while and listen. Basically, I've made these tiles. Those are normal 3x3 inches tiles, and they are made in double face, you know. So basically, for example, this one has an edge here, and then on the other side you have an descending stair. You can see it. This one has a pit in the middle, a dark pit. On the other side is just a normal 3x3 inches tile. This one is a 3x3 inches tile, but on the other side it's a trap! Skulls and spikes and blood. I like these tiles, especially this one, because this one can be a trap, can be a passage, can be something hiding some treasure, you know. So basically they are very versatile. You can just put them on your dungeon. If needed, you can change the side and use them also for surprise your players. Making 3 of these tiles took me around 1.5 hours, drying time included, and was actually very fast, very simple. So you can create a bunch of these tiles very quickly, and they are boom, just ready to be used on the table. Let's see how to build some special tiles. Start taking measurements and cutting out 3 standard tiles. When you have completed them, cut from each of them a slice of about 3-4 millimeters. You can use a proxen, but if you don't have it, I suggest you check out my tutorial number 4 for how to make thin slices with a hot wire cutter. Once the slices have been cut, fasten them to the part underneath. Use now a foam cutter to engrave the grid all around your tile. This operation is also possible with a thin marker or pen. The foam cutter has the advantage to being much faster. Add some texture to your tile with the aluminum sheet technique. Now take the bottom piece and, with the help of a sharp knife, extract the central tile of your piece. From this point you can combine the examples I have shown to create original combination for your dungeon. Let's start with the classic spike trap. Take a bunch of kebab skewers and, using your tile as a reference, cut off the tips. Use the tile with the hole as a reference and trace the width of your trap on the slice.
Glue the tips with the hot glue, then with a brush applied some PVA glue around the tips. I used here wood sawdust to add texture to the bottom of the trap. As usual, details make the difference. Here I add skulls from green stuff wood to make the final effect more deadly. The next piece is the most important. Under the trapdoor you can combine each of the three solutions that I'm presenting. You can then create more doors and then complete them with traps, secret passages, treasures. Remove the middle tile of your tile slice and turn it upside down. Here, using the woodworking techniques, as I also described in my tutorial number 4, we create a trapdoor. To construct a descending passage, it is sufficient to take the central piece and cut it into 3 slices, as I show you here. Paste and you're done. To create a dark pit with a grid, the important thing is to color the inside of the piece before proceeding with the assembly. Easy, isn't it? At this point, we are ready to paint.
Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!